In the book of Mark, chapter 13, verse 31, God's word says in his words, heaven and earth shall pass away, but my words will never pass away. Now, one of the Bible's contents is God's plan and purpose for your life. And God's purpose for your life will never, ever change. As what Psalm 33:11 says, his plans endure forever. His purpose lasts eternally. Yes, God knew we would be born in the previous century. God knows exactly the circumstances and changes that will take place in our lifetime. And God designed a plan and purpose for our life. There is power in the Word of God.